Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VI, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application, like this one. I'm gonna skip signing in, and in here, before I start importing and showing you how to, I'm gonna quickly mention that right now the device is trying to display contacts from the device. If you have a Google account signed in, it will actually display your Google contacts instead. That's just kind of how it works by default. And if you tap right here on whatever it's showing, whatever icon you have right here, you will be able to choose from, for instance, displaying contacts from the device or your Google account. You can see I don't have any account, so the only option I have is the device, which will matter in a second when we navigate to Fix and Manage, and then Manage SIM, which is the way you will import contacts. Now for me, it is automatically selecting all the contacts, so you might experience that some of your contacts are right now deselected and grayed out, and you can't select them. And that is because these contacts already exist on the location where the device will be importing them to. So don't worry, it's just kind of device trying to prevent you from duplicating them. Now, additionally, I don't have option visible right here, but under the Manage SIM and above the first contact, you probably have a drop-down menu that allows you to choose the import location, which would most likely be your Google account, the device, or maybe multiple Google accounts. Whatever the case is, select where you want to import those contacts to. I don't have this option because I can only import it to the device. So it's just one option, so not really an option. Now, once your contacts are selected and your import location, you can choose Import. This will import all selected contacts, and when you go back to your contacts list, you should be able to see them in here. Just if you don't, make sure you have the correct location selected. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.